Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to get rid of virus on your iPhone. So actually, we do have a few quick fixes for you. At first, you have to spot the issue that you may have a virus. So if you know that you have a virus, just spot these signs at first before doing these fixes, because your iPhone may just be broken, but at first check these signs. You have constant pop-ups in the Safari, so you have some ads, so that's everything, even though the Safari has it disabled. You have applications crashing more than usual. Battery draining is draining unusually fast, and strange applications you don't remember are being installed. So this is the virus 100% sure. The quick fix is at first close the Safari tabs. So at first open Safari, tap these three dots, tap all tabs, and close all the tabs you have here opened. And then, wait a moment. This is hard, so we can't delete it. I'm sleepy, kind of. So yeah. So here, delete all your, close your all Safari tabs, and then clear history. So go to settings, scroll all the way down to apps. Here, scroll to the letter S, and here open Safari. Here, scroll all the way down so that you can see clear history in the website data. Tap that, tap all history, close all tabs, and clear history. This is the first tip. The second tip is to delete suspicious apps. If you have installed an application recently, uninstall this application. Or if your iPhone is installing the applications by itself, uninstall these applications very quickly. So for example, hold the finger on the app, tap remove app, and delete app here. Apart from that, restart your iPhone. So hold the power button and the volume up button for at least 10 seconds until you see the iPhone is being turned off. So I don't know if the 7 seconds, 10 seconds method works. Just hold these two buttons until you see that your iPhone turns off. It's the better way to force restart your phone if the power off is not working, because it may be the issue too. As you can see, it doesn't work for me, so you will have to now do a quick thing. Volume down, volume up, and then this combination once again. It doesn't work too. So now let's try volume up, volume down, and volume up while holding the power button. It should work for us. It's because it's for restarting. One of these combinations should work for you, but if it doesn't, fly to power off your iPhone. I don't know why it's not working for me. It's maybe I don't have a virus still. Now let's wait until your iPhone completely turns off. It should take you, for example, 10 to 20 seconds, and after this time, hold the side button to turn on your iPhone back again. It should clear the temporary junk on your phone. Apart from that, you have to check for the configuration profiles in your phone, because sometimes malware sneaks in via your profiles. But first, let's wait until our phone boots up. Now, as you can see, we have our iPhone. Let's insert our code. And the first thing we have to do is opening the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the general, and now tapping here we have to tap the VPN and device management. So it will be here, and here, as you can see, we don't have anything here. If you see a profile you don't recognize, tap it and tap remove profile here. Here, remove any VPN configuration, don't sign into any account, and you should be fine here. And apart from that, go straight to the settings back again, scroll to the general, here, tap on the software update, and if you have any update, even though it's beta, update your phone immediately. Apple patches security holes quickly, so being on the latest versions is your best shield. So especially in the beta like I am now. And reset your phone if needed and if the things are still weird. So go back to the general here, and now you have to go, as I remember, here. Scroll all the way down. Here tap transfer reset iPhone and erase all content settings. As you can see, your every single data, your every single photo will be deleted, even though if you haven't copied it to the iCloud. And so, yeah. And now you should be free to go from the virus. Check if your bank account is safe, check if your money is safe, and to avoid the trouble in the future, only download applications from the App Store, official App Store here, and be careful with links in random text or emails. So if you have got any link from me in your messages, any link in your Gmail, in your email, don't open it, don't do anything suspicious, and don't install shady profiles or jailbreak software, because you may be in danger then. And it's even harder to get rid of this virus when you have your software jailbroken. And if after all this things you notice sketchy behavior of your iPhone, it might be not a virus, but a phishing attempt, like the fake Apple ID login pages. In that case, changing your Apple ID password is smart. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like under this video. It's really important to us. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.